Hello Bladers. Being a girl boss means being able to stay on top of the game. It means being able to take on responsibilities and managing them well without compromising your relationship and personal well-being. Quite a hard thing to do, right? The life of a girl boss is a lot of things. That's why if you're one, then you definitely need these safety items in your car to help you seize the day. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Safety car items every girl boss should have. Number 1, water. Get the best out of yourself, girl boss. Keep yourself hydrated and always bring a bottle of water for refreshment. Number 2, multi-purpose tool. An all-in-one multi-purpose tool will get you through the day in case something comes up and you need a hand to help you with fixings. Number 3, neck pillow with hood. For the sake of comfortability, this is designed and built to support the neck and shoulders. You can rest your neck comfortably so you'll have a relaxed head and shoulders. Number 4, seatbelt pad. Since it's padded, it prevents uncomfortable cutting and chafing from your seatbelt. Also, it can be easily attached because of its hook and loop closure. Number 5, booster cables. Boost those car batteries once they die. Make sure that you also know how to use them. Number 6, dash cam. Record sharp videos and images with your dashboard camera to review incidents that may happen while you're driving or when your car is parked. Number 7, car jack. Don't let a flat tire derail you from accomplishing your tasks for the day. Make sure to carry a spare tire and a car jack. Number 8, first aid kit. Whether you're driving around the city or out of town, it's always a must to keep a well-stocked first aid kit in your car. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.